So in this video, I will show you step by step how you can fix your AirDrop not working on your iPhone or Apple device. So step number one, we need to head over to settings. Now from here, if we then scroll down to general and then click on AirDrop, you will have different options inside your AirDrop here. Now it may be on receiving off or contacts only. Now, if you haven't got a contact and you're trying to receive an airdrop, you will not be able to do this unless you enable everyone for 10 minutes or you add them as a contact, of course. You can also click on Start Sharing By and enable this here. And then whenever you bring two Apple devices together, such as two iPhones, what it will do is it will easily swap the numbers and add contacts, and you'll be able to share via airdrop by just enabling this right here and being right next to an iPhone, for example. You can also enable the use of mobile data when it is out of range, and this may help with AirDrop not working. And you can also add a contact if you want by clicking on Create New Contact, which will also help your AirDrop if you are having problems with it as well. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video helped you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.